Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make Schuko facade in Revit. So basically, in case if you want to use Schuko system, you can go to this website called as BIMObject.com. So here I have already logged in with my email address. You can log in via Autodesk or LinkedIn or Google accounts. So you don't need to register, you can directly log in using these accounts. Uh, so the first thing what you need to do is after logging in here, you can search for Schuko. So I enter Schuko here and you can see there are 114 product families. So you can see a lot of different products here. So in case if you want to use facade, so this video I will be making a facade in Revit. So what I will do is I'll go here. I'll search for the facade system what I want to use. So, okay, I will search here Schuko FWS 50. So I get it here. I download it. So you can see here there are different types of Revit files here. So there are door, there are ventilation vent, units, and curtain walls. So here you get .revit files and not .rfa files. So all the families are already in this file. So let's download this and check how it works. I'm downloading this one. Okay, I will download here. So it's a 30 MB file. So once it get downloaded, you can open this in Revit and you can see it's made in 2017 Revit, so you have to upgrade it. And yeah, after upgrading the model, it's taking time. Okay, so here you can see we got this FWS50 BIPV unit here, and there are a lot of other units here. So in case you want to see what all units are here, you can go to the 3D view and you can see all the families here. So they have very well decorated and kept all the families here what you want to use, like FWS50 HISI, and yeah, they also have the doors and different types of windows and stuff here already, so that you can just download this one Revit file and use it in your entire project file. So I will show you how to use this families in your actual project file. So let me create a new. Okay, so let's start with making the main facade. I will create a new file, go to the architectural template, press OK. And once you make the architectural template, you can go to the level 1 and create a floor. Okay, so you can make the flow in any random design. I will take this as 45 degree. I want to create something unique and make it maybe 120 feet, 40 feet, 120 here and here. So we have created a flow like this. So in case I want to see the 3D view, I go here, click the default 3D, and then you can see it in the 3D. Now let me create the same level on the second floor. So on the second floor, I'll just copy paste it, and you can go to the modify tab here and paste it align to selected levels, level 2, and in the 3D now you can see there are two different flow, and you can change the type of flow you want here. So you can like change maybe to wooden if you want wooden finish. Okay, so I've created one more flow, but I want to edit this more. So what I would like to do here is I'll go to the level 2. Now I create a line maybe from 40 feet. I'll create, let me check what is the dimension of this. That's 40. Okay, so I'll create another 40 feet line here, and yeah, so now the 40 feet line, and like the other line which is, wait, let me check the dimension, 120. I'll create a 120 feet long line. Okay, so I'll delete this one. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll pick this point and intersect it here, and this point here, and then I will create a line from here to here, and pick this point, intersect here, and pick this point, intersect here, this one here, okay, then this one here, and then this one here. I got an error, so I'll keep it unjoined, it's fine. And from here I'll connect to this one. So this is my floor, and let me finish this. So now you can see here in 3D how my floor looks here. Okay, so I also require one third level. So I'll go here, architecture, I'll add the third level 10 feet above. And okay, so I created one more level, level 3. Now what I will do is I'll copy this entire floor from here and go to the level 3 and paste it. And in the modify, I will select it, align to selected levels to level 3. So now in the 3D views, you can see how this level looks like. So now I want to remove this two parts, so I will edit this level 3 again. Go to level 3 floor plan. I will modify this element, delete this part, delete this, and I'll delete this one as well, this one as well. Go from here to here, and from here to here. After finishing it, let us go to the 3D model here. Okay, so we have like a unique design on which we can put our facade now. So once you have done with this flow only to show you how to put facades, and this is not really how they make it on Revit. For actual details, it's a bit different and more in detail. So once I've done with this, as you can see, the flows are ready here. I can start making my facade. So before making the facade, what I would tell you is you need to open this Revit file which we downloaded from BIMObject, and then go to the facades file here in the elevation, like in the sheets, or you can directly go to the family here. So you can see here you have this Schuko FWS50SI family. If you double click it, and this is a different family, so all this family are actually it's the same, sorry. Yeah, this is HISI is different, and yeah, you have like this particular ADS 75 door family inside this. So you can just copy and paste all these families in your Revit file what you are working on right now. So I'll just go here, go to the 3D, and I'll go to the level 1 and start making the facade here. So to make a facade, what you have to do is first you have to create a wall. I selected the architectural wall here, and you have to go from this, you have to go facade wall. You always need to go in a anti-clockwise manner. Only if you go in anti-clockwise manner, you will get your mullions inside and the cover cap outside. If you do it in the reverse order, that is in the clockwise manner, your mullions will be outside and your face, the cover cap, will be on the inside, which is not the way how facades are installed. So make sure you always have created the walls in a anti-clockwise direction. So okay, so I've created the wall here. Now after creating the wall, what I have to do here is I need to go here in the 3D and copy this family, and again I need to go to my 3D here and paste it here somewhere, and it is asking all this duplicate types. You can leave it like that, and you can maybe move it somewhere here. So now you have copied this family inside this Revit file. So you can see the wall is really big. I will reduce the height of the wall. Go to the south elevation. Inline the walls. So now all the walls are okay, I guess. I'm going to rebuild this wall again. Okay, so now when you have completed making the flow levels, what you can do here is, okay, so now once you have done with the flow levels, what you have to do here is you have to go to the flow plan level 1, and you have to create the walls. So I'll just show you how to create the wall here. And yeah, I'll press this one, but this is not how I want. I want the finish face to be on exterior, and I will click again from this point to this point, and I'll create a wall on 4 sides. Now what I will do here is go to 3D. Now I reduce the height of these walls. Okay, this one. So I'll just check what is the height here. I'll copy this and paste it here. So I get the exact height. Yes. Do the same here. Apply. And here. Once you're done with that, so you have created a wall right now on the level 1, and now what you have to do is you have to go to the Revit file what I downloaded from the BIMObject website, and then you need to go to the 3D views here. Okay, save the project here. Okay, it's taking time. So once you're done with that, you can copy this family from here. So this family is selected, you can copy this family and go to your 3D and paste it somewhere here. Okay, I pasted it. Now what I'll do is I'll select all these walls. Now if I go here and change this wall to curtain wall, it gets converted into facade and can't keep elements joined. Okay, so let's unjoin it, it's fine. Okay, now you can see a facade has been created. I'll go to maybe realistic view, and once the facade is selected, you can go here in the edit type and you can put here the number of vertical grid you want, fixed number or fixed distance, maybe 2 feet. Apply. Okay, so now you can see here all the distance at 2 feet and it's really small. I'll maybe make it bigger. I'll go here, vertical grid, fixed distance, 4 feet, apply. Okay, now this is fine. So now I've applied facade, the FWS facade on the level 1. Same thing I will do for level 2. Wait, level 2, yeah, here. And now I'll create the wall here again. From here, like this. I've created the wall and I'll go to 3D and reduce the height of the wall. Okay, I'll copy this and do it for all of them. After that, you can do select all the walls together by pressing Ctrl and Shift, and then you can change the curtain wall here into FWS 50. Okay, this is fine. Now again it has taken the exact width dimension here. So now you have applied all of them here. You can delete this part and you can have a door as well if you want here. So I'll show you how to make a door as well. So for making door, you have to go to the same Schuko file here. Go to the 3D here And now what you can do here is I'll show you one quick example. So in case if you want to use the Schuko uh, doors and windows, you can go here in this Schuko family which we have downloaded here. You can go in the project browser and click in the families, and you can save all these families in your, maybe you create a separate folder. I created a new folder too where I have saved it. You can save all these families here. It gets automatically saved in your file, and then you can go to your project here. After saving all of it, once I'm gone here to the 3D, I'll tab, sorry, this one I guess. Okay, so this is unpinned. So once this is unpinned, I can go here and check. Okay, here there is no door file right now. So I'll go to insert and load the family, go to the new folder where I've saved all the Schuko articles. I'll check for the door, this one. I'll open it and it gets loaded here, and then I'll tab, select this panel which was unpinned. I'll check for the door. Yeah, here you can see the door, and you have the door now here. And the same thing you can do here. I'll maybe try to integrate a window and a door on the top. I'll unpin this, and yeah, the same way you have to go here, put the door here, and to put the window, what you can do is you have to first create a transom. Click the curtain grid here. You can create a transom like this. Not like this. This is a complete transom. One segmented transom here. And the second transom maybe not mullion, sorry. Yeah, transom here. So you can see I created like, okay, this is a continuous transom again. Control C, go to curtain grid, sorry, and one segment. Okay, click here, create the transom. And then you can tab, select this panel, unpin it, and keep it. And now you need to load the openable family. So you need to go to load family here in the insert tab, and as we are in the new folder where we have saved all the openables and stuff, you can keep on scrolling like this. You can see we have like all different types of items here. Okay, so openable is this one. I'll put this one and I click it, and now it will be here. It's loaded already, so now I have to insert it here. I'll tab, select this panel, go here and put this AWS 114 window here. So yeah, this is how you can put the windows and doors for this facade on top of this facade. So I've just created a rough idea how you can do this for the Schuko windows and doors. So yeah, I hope you like this video.